Let me show you how to insert date into gallery view using Notion formula like this. There are 6 steps to follow. Step 1. Add build tracker relation. Step 2. Attach map function to the build tracker relation and use let function inside the map function to create variables. Step 3. Create variables called build and assign current as its value. Step 4. Show the date by calling current.date and use format function to convert it into string so that you can use style function to make it more aesthetics. Step 5. Add colon space and the variable build. Step 6. Attach join function at the end of the formula and insert line break in the bracket to separate each pages like this. Follow for more Notion tips, hacks and tutorials.